Yeah, the full wax.
The Rhino Charge is a fundraising event that has been established to secure funding to support the conservation work being undertaken by Rhino and to ensure that most of the fund being collected goes to conservation. Well, to build 710 kilometers of electric fence. We have fenced the entire of the Aberdares, we have fenced the entire of Iburu Forest. We are 2/3 in completing the fence around Mount Kenya, and now we are starting fencing Kakamega.
Our foundations, additionally, will be contributing a sponsorship to the event. Last year, we supported car number 23, which was the CEO of the Kenya Forestry Service. This year, we're very pleased to be also supporting car number 44, and we hope they win this year's event. So on sports specifically, we've just relaunched, for example, Chapadimba, which is our football program supporting young football talent. We are about to do our annual Lewa Marathon and hopefully getting more talent from an athletics perspective. We were chief sponsor for the Sportsman of the Year Award. We've got the golf program coming up later on this year, amongst a number of other programs.